In this video, we will walk through the unit processes section where you will be linking emission processes to their respective emission units, control devices, and release points. This section must be completed last because you will be selecting from information that has been previously entered. On this screen, you will see a summary of unit processes previously added. Many emission units will only have one unit process. However, for this example, we will demonstrate how to associate multiple unit processes with one emission unit. Engine 2 already has one process associated with it. To add another unit process, we will select the Add button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this section, the process identifier is auto-generated. We will first select an emission unit from the drop-down menu to which we will link this process. Next, we will identify the SEC code. This can be done one of two ways. If we know the code, it can be entered in the box on the left, or we can find the SEC code through a series of drop-down categories. First, we will select internal combustion engine, which is at an industrial facility. It combusts natural gas and is a 4-cycle lean burn engine. After completing these categories, SLEIS generates the SEC code on the left. Next, we will describe the unit process. In this case, it is natural gas combustion. In the Control Approach tab, we will link the unit process to its associated control device. This process is controlled by multiple devices, so we will use a general description. The first control device is a catalytic oxidizer, so we will select that from the drop-down menu. To add the second control device, we will select the plus sign and again choose from the drop-down menu. We will then indicate the order in which the exhaust stream is routed through the control devices. We also need to input the capture efficiency and uptime for each control device. For this example, we will assume 100% capture efficiency and uptime. Under the Release Point Apportionment tab, we will link the process to its associated release point. This entire exhaust stream is routed to the Engine 2 stack, which is indicated by entering 100% apportionment. If the exhaust stream was routed to multiple release points, the total apportionment must equal 100%. After clicking Save, the unit processes summary will be updated.